Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and tech. Today, we're diving into the world of home office printers.
And I'm thrilled to introduce you to what I believe is the best home photo printer on the market, the Canon PIXMA TR8620a.
Let's jump right in and explore what makes this printer a must-have for your home office or creative space. First off, let's talk about design.
The Canon PIXMA TR8620a boasts a modern, sleek design that seamlessly blends into any home office setup.
Its compact footprint means it won't take up too much space on your desk.
Yet it still packs a punch when it comes to functionality. One of the standout features of the TR8620a is its wireless connectivity.
With built-in Wi-Fi, you can easily print from your computer, smartphone, or tablet without the hassle of cords and cables. Plus, the auto document feeder makes scanning and copying multiple pages a breeze, saving you time and effort.
But perhaps the most impressive aspect of the Canon PIXMA TR8620a is its print quality.
Whether you're printing documents for work or photos for your family album, this printer delivers crisp, vibrant results every time. And with support for glossy photo paper, you can bring your memories to life with stunning detail and clarity.
The TR8620a works seamlessly with Alexa, allowing you to control your printer with just your voice.
You can even set up smart reorders,
so you'll never run out of ink again.
It's convenience and efficiency rolled into one.
But don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the TR8620a's ease of setup, print quality, and overall performance.
Whether you're a busy professional or a creative enthusiast, this printer has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. And there you have it, folks.
The Canon PIXMA TR8620a is truly the best home photo printer on the market, offering unmatched quality, convenience, and versatility.
If you're in the market for a new printer, look no further than the TR8620a. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations.
Until next time, happy printing!